Most people already have a recorder on their phone, so for a product like Comulytic Note Pro to make sense, it has to do more than simply capture audio. In this video, I want to test one simple question. If you rely on recording for meetings, phone calls, or work notes, if this actually easier than using your phone. Before we get into the device, the first question is pretty obvious. Why not just use your phone? For quick voice memos, I think your phone is fine. If you only record some thoughts once in a while, you probably do not need a recorder. But once recording becomes part of your work, things change. If you record meetings, client calls, interviews, or long discussions, you will feel that your phone is quite limited. After the recording, you still have to listen back, find the useful parts, write down key points, and figure out the follow-up task yourself. So the audio file is only the beginning. It does not automatically become notes, summaries, or action items. The second issue is pickup. A phone can record, but distant background noise and multiple speakers can all make the result harder to use. And for phone calls, the setup can get awkward if you do not want to put the other person on speaker. But can a device like this actually solve those problems? So this is Comulytic Note Pro. It is a pocket-sized AI recorder built for meetings, phone calls, and spoken notes. The hardware is very simple. Long press to start recording, long press again to stop. The device is very thin and light. It is about 0.12 inches thick and weighs about 27.6 grams. So you can slip it into a shirt pocket or use the magnetic case to attach it to the back of your phone. It also has 64 gigabytes of local storage, which is good because I do not want to think about storage every time I record a longer meeting. Battery life is another practical point. Comulytic rated for up to 45 hours of continuous recording from a 19-minute charge. For audio, it uses a Motive MEMS microphone setup with AI noise reduction, and the listed indoor pickup range is up to 5 meters. Then on the app side, recording turns into a transcript, summaries, speaker labels, highlights, and action items. You can also ask questions about the recording afterward. For the first test, I use it in a meeting setup. I placed Comulytic Note Pro flat on the table and recorded a conversation with 2 speakers. I also add details that are easy to miss, like dates and next steps. First, here's the raw audio.
As a programmer analyst and as a business analyst. And the purpose of our conversation today is to get to know Rishi a little bit better.
The voice is very clear to follow. Now let's look at the transcript. The transcript is readable and the speaker labels help keep the conversation organized. Next, I wanted to test distance in a more realistic way. Imagine you are at a conference, a lecture, or product briefing. The speaker is not sitting right next to you. They might be several meters away, and you still want to capture the key points without holding a phone in the air the whole time. So I placed the recorder on the table, moved farther away, and spoke in a normal volume.
Dear friend, who I'm so grateful to welcome onto the show. Please welcome to On Purpose and Julia Pacheco. And it is so great.
The voice gets thinner from farther away, which is expected, but the main information is still captured. Then I added background noise.
To the outcome people desire, making that conscious, unblinded choice towards it. But if we're in a capitalist structure like the United States,
you can still hear the keyboard sounds and other noise in the room, but still the voice stays pretty clear. I also try more chaotic outdoor scenes with street noise and people around me.
beliefs and fears of all the people been around them since birth, and they decide to pursue that and dynamically recreate it.
This is a tougher environment, but it still gives me useful audio. I would not expect it to sound like a studio mic, but for quick work notes, outdoor ideas, or recording something while walking, it is good enough to review later. Now for phone calls, this is where the form factor gets more interesting. You can attach the recorder to your phone, then record both sides of the call without using a speakerphone. For private work calls, that's much cleaner.
I'm really trying to understand whether we're still on track from the timeline we discussed, or if we need to adjust anything before the next review.
Yeah, we made pretty solid progress since the last update. The core part of the project.
Both sides are captured clearly enough, and after the call, the transcript gives me something I can actually review. So compared with a phone recorder, Comulytic feels more useful when the recording is long, the details matter, or you need something organized afterward. Now let's look at what happens after the recording. All finished recordings stay inside the app, so you can go back and check different files anytime. For each recording, like this one-on-one meeting I just recorded, you can first open the full transcript. Then the app automatically creates a summary. And this part is actually pretty practical. It posts out the main points from the conversation, so I don't have to screw through the whole transcript just to remember what we talk about. There's also a shorter summary version, which condenses the whole conversation into just 2 or 3 sentences. I like this for quick browsing, especially when you have multiple recordings and just want to find the right one fast. Then you have insights. This is more structured. The AI looks at the recording and organizes the information based on what was actually said. So instead of only giving you a paragraph summary, it can pull out the key discussion points, possible custom concerns, follow-up suggestions, and action lists. And this is where the app starts to feel more useful than a basic transcript tool. It is helping me turn the conversation into something I can work from. Then there's Ask Comulytic. Instead of scrolling through the whole transcript, I can ask direct questions. That last one is probably what I would use the most. After a client call, I can turn the recording into a follow-up email much faster. There are a few product things to know. First, Comulytic Note Pro is not a real-time translator. It is mainly a recorder, transcription tool, and AI note assistant. So if you expect live translation during a conversation, that's a different use case. Second, the core experience includes unlimited free transcription and basic summaries. More advanced AI features require an optional premium plan starting from $10 per month. So before using long-term, I will check which features you actually need. And third, recording conversations comes with responsibility. For meetings, client calls, interviews, or sensitive discussions, make sure you follow your local recording rules. When appropriate, let people know that the conversation is being recorded. So after testing the Comulytic Note Pro against my phone recorder, my takeaway is pretty simple. If you only need a quick voice memo once in a while, your phone is still the easiest option. But if recording is already part of your work and you deal with meeting, calls, lecture, interviews, or anything like that, Comulytic Note Pro gives you a more complete workflow. The hardware makes recording quick, the microphone setup gives you a better chance of capturing real conversations clearly, and the app turns those recordings into transcripts, summaries, action items, and searchable information. The transcription is completely free and unlimited, which makes the workflow feel much more open. You can record, transcript, and pull out the key points without worrying about usage limits. That's where it becomes useful. For me, the biggest value is that I did not have to treat recording as the final step. The recording becomes the starting point for notes, follow-ups, and actual work. If you want to check out the Comulytic Note Pro, I will leave the link in the description. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.